What do you think? It looks great, but I think it needs to be moved to the side. Hold on, let me call my buddy. All right, let me dial my buddy. Dialing buddy.
Hello, this is Bob. It's gonna be 3,000.
Hello, Bob.
Larry?
Yep, it's Larry.
What's up, Blair?
Somebody did not like their house and the way it was processed.
Yep, it's gonna be 3,000.
All right, I'll tell the person.
Let me know.
Okay, bye. Ma'am? Ma'am? Yes? So we talked to our person that moves, okay? And he said it's about to be 3,000. 3,000?! There ain't no way I'm gonna pay that! Well, do you want it moved? Yes, I do! All right. I'll tell the person that's moving it. Yeah, you better. It has to be perfect. Okay, ma'am. All right, dialing Bob again.
Hello, this is Bob. It's gonna be 3,000.
The lady said that it could work, but it has to be perfect.
That's all I do is perfect.
All right.
I'm on my way.
Okay, bye. Come on in over here.
Shut up, I know what I'm doing.
Come on, just be real careful.
I know what I'm doing.
Bob, can you even see?
Not really.
Well, how are you gonna move it?
Life.
All set. All set? You're fired! You ruined my house!
You said to move it.
Yeah, I did! I didn't mean damage it!
That'll be $3,000.
What? I ain't paying that!
A deal is a deal.